Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a update for Firefox browser. The browser is having a update for bug fixing, and so if you go to Firefox upper right hamburger menu and you go down to Help and About Firefox, you will be, of course, at 153.0.3. And this has nothing about security in it. It is really just bug fixes. A few of the bugs that are fixed, there's a video playback issue that was fixed. There's a problem with shortcuts on sometimes when you actually dragged shortcuts, they would lose their attachment to Firefox. There was a problem also with bookmarks that were fixed. One of the problems also was the VPN icon that appeared on Firefox in countries where it's not available. So they removed that button where it's not available. And of course, a few other things that were fixed in here, 8 or 9 little bugs that were fixed overall. So check it out. Of course, like I said, there's nothing about security, so it's not a urgent update. But if you were having issues, it's possible that this fixes some of the problems. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.